The famous poet Coleridge said, "Genius is taking the feelings of childhood into the powers of manhood." In other words, growing up as a whole man, integrated man. Is not abandoning parts of yourself as you grow up, like most of us have done, but taking those parts with their dreams and their desires and their irrational dreams, irrational desires to change the world and to leave their mark on the world, and training them and doing the work, making them strong, becoming a strong man with a childlike heart. This is fully integrated masculinity. Now, most of us don't grow up like that. Most of us are anything but that. If you are overeating, if you are overworking, if you are over drinking, and you're wondering why, you've tried everything, you've tried all the programs, and you're still failing, you tried all the dieting and you're still failing, consider this. Maybe you need to go back and reclaim a lost part of yourself. Maybe you need integration. And then give it expression into your conscious life. No matter how old you are, you can do that. I've done that and I'm still doing that. And I never stop doing that, so long as there is a part of me out there that's still stuck back in time in my subconscious. We need to make the subconscious conscious in order to defeat our addictions to food, overworking, overeating, sex, you name it. Everything, all the good things we can turn into addictions when we're suppressed. So what are you suppressing? By eating, working, drinking. We need to get that back. What desires are you suppressing? You need to get it back. And let me know if I can help with that. I'll put the link down below. That's what I do.